Recently, Ben and I were able to participate in a coffee tour and tasting at Janson Coffee. Janson has been a part of Volcan since the 1900s, with coffee becoming a focus in 1990. It is a great place to go for a cup of coffee with a view. You can even catch a glimpse of our tower from Janson, as their coffee farm is not far from our property. Their coffee shop and farm are really picturesque. There are plenty of tables around and a large meeting room. You can purchase drinks and even bagged coffee from the shop. Their coffee participates in specialty coffee conferences around the world and is always highly recognized and honored. It even won many Best of Panama awards this year. The landscape around the property is beautiful. You can even visit their nursery and buy a few of your own coffee, avocado, or other plants to take home. Part of the tour can include seeing the coffee berries washed and the pulp removed. During dry season, you can even see the beans drying on huge tarps on the concrete lot. Another part of the tour was watching the beans get roasted. We were able to go into the warehouse where many bags of coffee were stored and ready to be shipped out. Part of our experience was sitting with the women who were hand sorting the beans. They were looking for any broken pieces or smaller beans and removing them. Only the perfect beans make it into their hand-selected coffee bags. After learning all about the process and trying our hand at sorting, we headed up to the tasting room to try some geisha coffee. On a regular tasting, you try a variety of coffee types from the farm. Geisha is more expensive and supposed to taste better. It was not as bitter or strong as the dark coffee. It was interesting to see how they brewed the coffee and served it in wine glasses. I have a brother who says Janson is the best coffee. As a non-coffee drinker, I will take his word for it. So how did we end up on a coffee tour and tasting? Ben and I were asked to be extras in a Panama tourism video. It was a fun time, and we really enjoyed spending the afternoon at Janson. If you ever get a chance to visit Janson Coffee Farm, I highly recommend it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like. Leave me a comment and tell me whether you're a coffee lover or not. Be sure to check out our other videos about life in Volcan and visit our webpage at www.corazondelcielo.com.